Okay, dahil tapos na ako mag-review ng mga HSI Signature Premium Collection, I can now give you my list to the most favorite sa line na ito. Anyways, congrats to this guy for winning the 4th HSI Collection fragrance giveaway. Yeah, so let's proceed. Disclaimer lang guys, all of them smells good. Sadyang meron lang talaga tayong least favorite and alam mo na, yun nangingibabaw compared to those 10. But here's my top 10. Let's start with number 10. Top 10, this is a surprise. It's Elixir. As you may know, the Years of Watch Elixir is my favorite scent, and it's just that I expected a lot when it comes to Years of Watch Elixir, but it has the scent. Sadyang nakukulangan lang talaga ako sa ibang notes niya. But the performance is good, the longevity is good. Sadyang scent-wise, medyo nakukulangan ako. At my number 9 spot, I have here Black. I actually like this one. The only problem is that every time I smell it, it reminds me of Nivea. So I don't know, it's just for me, pero the smell's nice. I like the watermelon and the lavender scent. I always love lavender, no matter what happened. But yeah, I think that puts him in the number 9 spot to my most favorite one. At the number 8 spot, I have here Stronger With You. The smell of this one is a gentle, sweet scent. Sadyang hindi ko lang talaga maisip kung saan ko siya gagamitin. It's a date night fragrance. I don't usually go out at night. Except pag pupunta ako sa office. Wherein pag office is pupunta ako gamit yung ibang fragrance ko. So I put him at number 8. At my number 7 spot, I have here Baccarat Rouge 540. This one is amazing. Sweet smell, saffron. I just love it. It's just that similar with the Stronger With You. It's a sweet scent. I really cannot use it at day. Gabi ko lang siya magagamit, and syempre, bihira lang din ako lumabas ng gabi na mayroong okasyon na paggagamitan ko siya. At my number 6 spot, ang hirap mag-decide dito, pero I will choose Blanc. This one smells so nice. The floral sweetness and the citrus of a Lacoste Blanc is here. It's just that masyadong siyang floral para sa akin. It's my number 6 favorite, pero compared sa 5 na matinira, the rest are so amazing. I can wear them all day, or I can wear them any time of the day na hindi ako nagkakamali. Okay, so for my top 5, I have here Flame. This one is so amazing. Very good performance. It's just that the other 4 is, mas nag-stand out siya. The citrusy sweetness of an Eros Flame is here. Smells the same with the OG. Napaka-close niya. I think nasa around 95% closeness sila based on my review and sa paggamit ko sa kanya ng 2 beses throughout the whole day. So yun lang. Okay, so for my top 3, I have here Extreme. This is actually a very fresh scent. So as a Fawisin person, I would really recommend this, especially in the Philippine weather. Napaka-versatile na rin niya gamitin. It's good for everyday use. Kapag pumapasok ka as a student, I think this is the best fragrance as a student or for everyday use. For my top 2, I have here the Millionaire. This one made me want to buy the Paco Rabanne 1 Million. It's just very good fragrance. It has the citrusy, the sweetness, the floral scent. I mean, what more can you ask for a Millionaire or 1 million dupe or inspired? This one is so amazing. I would wear this all day long. Last, and my top 1 favorite sa HSI Signature Premium is the Ultra Male. I know favorite tong lahat, pero this exceeds my expectations. HSI, especially na maraming Ultra Male, and this one is the best Ultra Male dupe or inspired na nahanap ko. This like around 95% closeness. Hindi siya ganun katamis tulad ng ibang inspired na Ultra Male. This one is so amazing. I would really recommend this, especially na favorite siya ng lahat. The only downside lang dito is that gabi mo lang siya magagamit or lamigan. Pero kung isa ka sa mga, alam mo na, pasaway or gusto lang talagang maging amoy mabango on an everyday basis, this one is the most recommended for me. So, yun nga. Ikaw, based sa mga na-review ko or based sa experience mo as an HSI owner, alin dito yung pinaka-favorite mo or your least favorite? And pag-usapan natin sa comment section. Anyways, so yun na nga, salamat sa mga sumali sa giveaway. Alam ko meron yung mga sabay nag-comments, pero as you guys may know, nag-scroll ako palagi para mag-refresh yung comment section para makita ko kung sino talaga mananalo. Talagang inaabakan ko yan. Nakatutok lang ako sa TikTok ko for 30 minutes scrolling down kung sino nga ba talaga yung mga nauna. And unfortunately, may mga sabay pero nakakita ko doon na mas nauna sila ng few seconds and syempre, yun yung pinipili ko. Anyways, for our last giveaway sa ating 5th HSI na giveaway, comment down below kung kailan yung birthday ko. Nasabi ko siya sa isang video ko. Hanapin nyo na lang. Anyways, yun lang. Paunahan na lang ulit. Peace.